invent, it cannot survive. In the mainframe world, they talk about IBM and the 7 dwarfs. IBM is the only mainframe company which is still there. The rest are all gone. Control data, this, that, etc. You might have studied in your textbooks on computer science, right? For Cray and whatnot. Right? So, restless reinvention is very critical to any enterprise to survive and thrive. It is also important for people like you and me. Trust me, when you come out of this institute and when you have a 30-40 year career ahead of you, it will not just be one career, one job role, one company, etc. We need to reinvent ourselves every few years to be relevant to the changes happening in the world. The law of Heraclitus says nothing is permanent in the world except change. Simply put, change is only constant. Remember that that's true for you and me. Probably our parents might have an opportunity of having a single employer from getting out of their colleges to retire. That era is gone. The company itself may not exist for all you know. And the skill sets that is needed by people keep changing. So what's very important is we continuously learn. You will see a lot of people from industry coming to this school and learning. It could be executive development programs and whatnot. Right? That's because learning is the most important investment you could do in life, right? And which will give you returns of significant nature. So, source. But unlike oil, this is renewable. New data gets created. So one of the key challenges which managers face today, you're going to be a manager for a period of time, is how do you make sense of the data and make decisions? A lot of decisions are still being taken out of gut feel, without access to data, without making sense of the data. Right? Think about that as well as you move ahead. Professor talked about the business analytics lab over here, but just one of the means. There are several other things that you can do, right? Which will help you equip yourself with skills which is of relevance to the market as you move on. So, thank you again, Professor Kumar, Professor Rao, and team for giving me an opportunity to come back to the campus. One of the cherished moments in my life, and getting back to that. And wish you all the very best. And parents, wish you all also the very best, because you're making a big investment, and I'm sure that the folks here will not disappoint you. Thank you.
First of all, I thank our today's chief guest, Sri Krishna Sundararajan, for throwing light on most valuable, important points in a student life. I am sure our students are going to understand the importance of 80-20 rule, what exactly Sir has indicated, its importance, and also the teamwork, and the importance of the procrastination, the postponement, and the ethics, the innovation, like that. There are many things what he has indicated. I am sure our students are going to follow, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time. And I thank our Vice Chancellor, Professor G. Subramaniam, for his valuable time to grace the occasion. And I extend my thanks again to our Dean and Director for his valuable inputs to organize this inaugural program in a more successful way. And also I extend my sincere thanks to the Chairperson Students Activities and Welfare Committee, Dr. Davinath, for coordinating the entire students and mobilizing them to put in the KRC auditorium. And also my sincere thanks to Committee Chairperson, Dr. Chidilda, for motivating the students and to see them in the program. And also, I appreciate all the senior students and the student organizing committee for this.
అక్కడితో మొత్తం స్టూడెంట్స్ అంతా వెళ్తారు వస్తే ఒక మధ్యాహ్నం వస్తుంది కదా వస్తే బాగుంటుంది కదా పార్టిసిపేషన్ రోజు వచ్చి కాడికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి కదా ఫొటోస్
అంటే మీకు ఎలాగుందంటారు రేపు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంటే తెలుసు కదా ప్రతి విద్యార్థికి
అవును
దానిపైన ఈరోజు ఇంకా మన రోజుతో వదులుతుంది అది ఈసీ గారు వచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఆయనతో రావాలి ఈ ప్రశ్నగా నేను మరి అందించే అవకాశం
నేను అందిస్తాను నేను చేస్తాను
ఎవరు చేస్తారు
ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని చేశారు
Good morning, friends. I will be teaching you the area of. I am sure we will have a very good time. I once again thank you all for taking a wise decision to join GSIB. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. Wish you all the very best because I think so you joined the family of GSIB. Hope that you do well and you make a path for your juniors who will be coming, and see to it that you mingle well. We have the best place in terms of the campus and the hostel, and I think so there's a learning that starts from today. Wish you all the very best.
I'm associate professor. Basically, I'm an engineering graduate. I've done my MBA from NIT Warangal and done my PhD from Osmania University. I teach the courses like operations, quality management and project management, and logistics and supply chain, apart from my area of industrial human resource management. And next, I request Dr. Pramod Kumar Mishra to introduce.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Pramod Kumar Mishra and I have done my MSc from NIT Rourkela, MBA from Vijayapatnam University of Technology in Odisha. Then subsequently I have done my PhD from University of Hyderabad, broadly in operations and QT area. After that I had been to Bangalore for a postdoctoral research work. There the project work was from University of Pennsylvania, so I was a key researcher there, and subsequently the project report was submitted to the University of Pennsylvania, so that was highly appreciated by the policymakers. So that is one thing, and here I am brought into operations management and QT area. I teach supply chain management, logistics, those type of courses. And a few courses from business analytics. I wish you all the best and hope that you go out of this institution with flying colors. Thank you.
My name is Inaugural. I did my MBA from Andhra University way back in 1982. And afterwards I did a 3 years course from Indian Institute of Materials Management. And afterwards my research at Krishnadeva University into organized retail, and I am specialized into international business. After finishing my course in the campus interviews, I got selected to Tata Group way back in 1982. I started as a management trainee, starting in sales, logistics and marketing research and new product development. These are my core areas. In the process of 23 years of working with the industry, I worked across almost all parts of India. Started heading marketing and operations at Kenya, based out of Nairobi, heading 7 countries. And I was one of the persons who wrote the import-export policies of the Kenyan government. In my work experience, I got 4 years Export Excellence Awards from Government of India. I'm more, now after coming back here with utilizing my industrial experience, I'm trying to help this institute in building corporate relations and placements, building a human relations department, and also simultaneously doing the consultancy work on behalf of GSIB. I take you all to the industry around for the industry interaction, port visits, and make you to walk through the personality development programs like campus to corporate, management and professional development programs, communication skills, and transitioning you from a fresh to a placeable product. That's the role I predominantly play here at GSIB. I hope you all will cooperate with me and enjoy this stay of 2 years at GSIB. Thank you.
My area is organization behavior, human resource management. Basically from the industry, I worked in the area of exports imports management as an exports executive, and also have worked abroad in teaching assignments. The basic difference I would like to make more specific is, you must have observed the ideal man just now have mentioned that I also have got the opportunity to go to business school, but only part-time, right? He said that. So the importance of learning on a regular program, and a regular program has got great importance whenever corporates look at it. Even though you are an MBA graduate, they will ask, is it a distance, is it a part-time, is it an evening? Because the rigorous process or the interactions that takes place in the regular program is definitely not a part of the other programs. That's where the importance is. So please do make use of these 2 years, and I wish that all the best to you. Thank you.
MBA in economics, PhD in economics, graduated from Andhra University. Here I will be teaching managerial economics, macroeconomics and research methods. For the first year continuously I will be with you, and second year I don't take any classes. So always fresh with freshers. That is my character portfolio with GSIB, and I wish you all the best for your successful completion of the course and getting a good place. Thank you.
To all of you, as you all know me, I'm Dr. K. Ruzaniha. I teach courses in the areas of accounting and finance. I wouldn't like to add anything else. All the best, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Well, I recognize a few faces because I was there in the interview for most of you. I teach marketing here. In fact, a brief about myself, I'm an MBA marketing with a PhD in international business. I started my career with the industry, with marketing, and then moved on to teaching. So, if you talk about, B school, and we are all talking about, how you should learn from here and then go and then get placed and prosper in life and all that. But I would say a service marketing proposition is something like this. It's not only that you learn from here, but we also learn a lot from you. So it's two-way. It's not only that you learn, but please give us an opportunity to learn from you. So evolve in such a way that you teach us something and go. Okay? With this, all the best. Do have a good time, enjoy yourself. At the same time, add a lot of value to yourself. All the best.
I have completed my PhD in economics from the University of Hyderabad. I specialize in finance. I teach financial engineering derivative in global finance market, and I wish all the best. Thank you.
So she is going to teach the courses like business, environment policy, and economics and other courses. Maybe she will meet you in the course of time. Right, these are about the brief introduction about our faculty. And coming to the afternoon session, I can say, and registration is going to start at 2 o'clock sharp in our school premises, right? So now we'll have a break for lunch. Again, we'll meet at 2 o'clock in the school.